Hey art friends, today we're celebrating Veterans Day.
Yeah, we're gonna draw an army dog.
And here's what our drawings look like at the very end. We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. What are we using for this lesson?
Markers.
Yeah, markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our puppy's nose. We're gonna draw it in the middle of our paper. We can draw an oval shape. I'm gonna also draw the oval first by drawing, it's kind of a V, except curved at the bottom. And then we can draw the top of the nose curving around to complete the shape. And then we can also color that shape in. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a short line down, and then we can draw letter U coming out to the side and the other side. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw an oval, a tall oval, and a matching oval over here. Yeah, there you go, the other one too. And then we can also draw a circle on the top for the highlight and then color in the bottom. I might make my eyes a little wider. Yeah. Now let's draw the helmet, and we're going to draw it above the eyes. We're going to go past the eyes on each side and draw it curving down. And you could go a little further on each side. Then we have room for the ears. We're going to draw a big letter U's coming down, and I'm also drawing them tipped a little out, and then the same over here. The little puppy ears coming out of the helmet. Then let's finish the bottom of the helmet. We're going to curve out of the ear, come over to the other side, and then curve back in. And then we're going to draw the very top of the helmet. We'll draw a big upside down U or a rainbow line coming over to the other side. Yeah, okay, now let's draw our puppy's head, or the chin and cheeks. We're gonna draw it curving under the mouth and over to the other ear. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, now for the puppy body. We're gonna draw the uniform. We're gonna draw it curving down for the jacket on each side. Yes, and then we're going to connect the bottom of the jacket together. Then let's draw the letter V right here. We're going to add the collar. And then we can draw another letter V coming down and then back up to the side, and same over here. Okay, before we finish the jacket, let's add a belt. We're going to draw two more curves down here at the bottom, going across. And then we can draw the buckle, two short lines down. Then we'll split the jacket or the shirt, the army jacket. Yes, and then we can draw a little pocket, or this could be a badge. I'm going to draw a rectangle shape here. And then let's draw the legs. We're going to draw two short lines coming down out of the jacket. And then we can draw two more lines coming down on the outside for the pants. And then let's draw the paws curving around and connecting to the inside, and the same to match over here. Let's draw the bottom of the pants, so a little curve. And then we got to draw the paw toe lines on both feet. Okay, now let's draw the arms, and we're going to draw them coming down and then curving into the jacket. And the same thing over here to match. Then we can draw the bottom of the sleeve on both arms, and a little thumb line or a paw line. And what are we missing?
His tail.
Yeah, the little tail. Let's draw it curving up and then curving back into the jacket. We did it! We finished our little army puppy, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you go pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. I'm gonna add camouflage to my little puppy uniform. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our army dogs, and they turned out cool. Especially yours with the eyelashes and the pink cheeks.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Yeah, and you could add more things. I added a shadow, but you could add an entire background.
Yeah, even more army dogs.
Yeah, and you could color it differently too.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing an army dog with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we also want to give a big thank you to all of the veterans out there.
Yes, thank you for your service.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.